Hello and welcome to the Easy Recipes Explained Simply series. Today we are making a bold and flavorful South Indian pepper chicken. Spicy, juicy and packed with freshly ground spices. You can have it with hot white rice or rotis. Let's get started. Start with fresh chicken pieces, add turmeric, ginger garlic paste, squeeze of lemon and salt. Mix everything well until the chicken is nicely coated and let it rest for 20 minutes. Now for the magic masala, dry roast the ingredients shown on the screen. Let them cool, then grind into a coarse powder. Heat oil in a pan, add curry leaves, sliced onions, green chilies and saute until the onions turn deep golden brown. Add the marinated chicken to the pan, cook on high heat for a few minutes to sear the pieces, then cover and let it cook on low heat until the chicken turns juicy. Remove the lid and cook off any excess moisture. Add the freshly ground pepper spice mix and a touch of garam masala if needed. Toss everything together until the chicken turns dark, coated and beautifully roasted. Serve hot on a fresh banana leaf with steamed white rice. Simple, spicy and absolutely satisfying recipe this is. I'm sure you like this. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel.